In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change invoice numbers in Zoho Books. Whether you're streamlining your billing process or realigning your accounting practices, modifying your invoice numbers can be a crucial step. Fortunately, adjusting these numbers in Zoho Books is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step. To begin, let's navigate to the heart of your settings. Open Zoho Books and look for the Settings option. This is typically found in your main navigation menu. Once you're in the settings, you'll start by heading over to the Customization section. In this area, you'll find the Transaction Number series. This is the hub where all your transaction number settings reside, and it plays a pivotal role in managing how your invoices are numbered. Next, you'll see several rows corresponding to different types of transactions. We are focused on invoices today, so locate the row that represents invoices. You'll notice an Edit button towards the top right of this section. Go ahead and click that. This action will bring you to a screen where you can make the necessary changes to your invoice numbering. Once you're in the editing section, you have a couple of options for customization. You can choose to alter either the prefix of your invoices, the starting number, or both. Changing the prefix can be particularly useful if you want your invoices to reflect a specific department, brand, or fiscal year. On the other hand, adjusting the starting number is ideal if you're consolidating systems or have perhaps skipped a few numbers. Take a moment to consider what will best meet your requirements and make the adjustments as needed. After making these selections, it's important to save your changes to ensure they take effect. You'll see a Save button, so click on that to confirm your new settings. Once saved, these changes will automatically apply to all invoices issued going forward. This means you won't have to manually change the invoice number each time you generate a new one. And that's it. You've successfully updated your invoice numbering system in Zoho Books. By customizing these numbers, you can increase the efficiency and organization of your billing process, making it easier to track and manage your invoices. Remember, this setup is flexible and can be revisited at any time should your business needs change. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more empowered to manage your invoicing system with ease. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need to make further adjustments. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.